All right, Jasper. You all right, mate? How you doing? We're going to fix the louvers today. Shall I fix the louvers? You don't want to do it, no? Twist your head if you don't want to. Okay, you don't want to. Right, welcome to today's video. So I was going to start outside. Unfortunately, I'm going to start inside because it's really, really windy. I'm going to clean the car first, which you'll see now. And then, by the magic of editing, hey, look, we're back. We're now going to remove the louvers. I need to do weather stripping all across my, well, all across the louver, basically. Because if you're new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, I've got a 2009 370z or Z with some louvers on the rear window. And the weather stripping is atrocious, so I need to, it basically rattles. So I just need to put some more weather stripping on it, which I've got. Also, side note, I have just tried to detach some of the 8mm nuts which are on there, and one of the plates which hold the louvers on has come off. So I've got some Gorilla Tape, which double-sided Gorilla Tape, it's like 3M tape, which I'm going to basically use and redo, which we're going to do that as well, because apparently that's something which has happened at the body shop, couldn't even get that right. So yay! We're also going to clean the window because as you could tell, I've detailed the car and it's looking very, very clean, very, very shiny. I even used my Ryobi buffer and polisher thing, waxed and polished the whole thing. So I got to clean the rear window because couldn't do that either with the louvers on. But yeah, let's go remove the louvers and get to weather stripping it. Oh, it is like glass. I'm super happy with the finish on this. This is the Ryobi polisher and waxer, the buffer thing which I used. Makes the finish super, super nice, super, super clean. I do need to do some more paint correction work on this car. There's still some slight swirl marks through it, but I mean, that's not too bad, is it, really? It's not too bad. Anyway, let's remove these louvers. Okay, so look, these are the louvers. I put some weather stripping on it because I had some spare, but it's just not enough, and it rattles all the way through around here and all the way down around. So I've got some more. I ordered some, so we're going to apply that all over here, and also we now need to fix this, which is the plate. This is just 3M backed onto the window, which I've got some Gorilla mounting tape, which I'm going to use in place of that. Hopefully it will hold up, so I'm just going to clean this up. First though, I'm going to clean the rear window and then get to cleaning this and kind of apply this first. Hopefully it will dry by the time I've done all of the weather stripping. So I'm actually just using Halford's Green Finest, but I come out just to clean it up. And looking at this one looks like it's going to need to be redone as well, which is really, really irritating. And maybe even this one, because it's got a lip up here. I think this one might be fine, but this one definitely needs to be redone. I mean, it's literally coming off. This goddamn body shop was terrible. Yeah, so I'm going to take that off, clean the rear window so it's nice like glass, like everything else. Well, literally like glass. Get it? And then, yeah, redo this. Right, yeah, so 2 of these to do now. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. These dodgy bloody cowboys. So I'm just going to strip it down, going to clean it up, and lay down, well, yeah, lay down the Gorilla Tape instead. This should have been 3M tape, so I'm assuming that the body shop guy actually didn't prep the surface, because 3M tape, this shouldn't be doing this. 3M tape's the best of the best. So I assume he didn't prep it. I can only assume that, which actually makes me very, very concerned for the side louvers, because they are just 3M taped on. So I'm probably gonna have to remove them at some point and just check, just for peace of mind, because they're expensive. I imported them from the States, and yeah, I don't really want them flying off, hitting someone, and also just flying off and being lost to the world. So I'm gonna time lapse this and then install it again. So I've prepped it. I prepped it as much as I can, washed it all down. This part of the adhesive of the last bit, it's not actually there. There's nothing there to get off, so don't worry about that. Prepped and dried. So now we're just going to add this and then mount it. Right, so that's all mounted now. In fact, 1 or 2 more of the mounting points actually had to be redone as well. So no idea. Your guess is as good as mine at how good that body shop is. This is some 3M backed weather stripping. It's just a foam strip. You can use it for multiple things. It should be okay for this application. I doubt it's going to come off, and even if it does, I've got a lot of it, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm literally just going to apply it all the way across here, and hope it stops rattling, I guess. So yeah, let's do that then. So what you can see, this is what I was using before. This is terrible. This is much, much thicker. This is for doors and stuff. So I'm just applying it all the way around the end, like all the way around the edges, all the way up through here between the mounting points, because it seems to be rattling on this bit here. This doesn't really seem to be low enough for it to rattle. So I'm going to do the edges and then wish for the best. Going to take it on a run. And then obviously kind of report back as to whether it actually rattles or not. There's no point filming it because my car is so loud that you guys probably won't actually hear it, but obviously I can on the inside. So could do this, mount it up, and yeah, let you know whether it actually works or not. Right, so I went to mount it, and it was just a little bit off. So I've just redone it with the Gorilla Tape, which is actually pretty good. That was really hard to get off. So just going to prep it again, remount it, and then that'll be finished. Hopefully, finally. But I'm a bit dubious about the others. I've tried to pry a few of them off. They're not really moving, but I don't want to force it either. But I would expect to have to redo them as well. I've got no doubt in my mind that will need to be redone for sure. So what I'm going to do is put this underneath, and then where it lands is where I will mount it. I'll just remove the whole louver and then mount it like that in a second. So just line it all up. And that one will go there. Okay. So epic success. We did it. We stopped the rattle. But what do? We'll snap the goddamn louver. I'm gonna have to try and fix this somehow. So that's gonna be the end of the video. I really do not have good luck, it seems, with cars. Anyway, if you know how to fix this, let me know down below. If it's not worth it, again, let me know as well. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.